Poco has launched mid-range phones and products with flagship-like features. Now, the company has introduced its entry-level device called the C3. This phone has launched with a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with resolution of 720 x 1600 pixels. It runs on MIUI 12 version, which is based on Android 10 operating system. The phone comes powered by octa-core MediaTek Helio G35 processor with 2GB and 3GB RAM with 32GB and 64GB internal storage, which is further expandable. The phone packs triple rear cameras, which includes 13MP primary wide sensor, 5MP macro sensor, and 2MP depth sensor. At the front, you get a 5MP camera for selfies. Poco C3 packs a 5000 mAh battery and supports 10W charging via microSD 2.0 port. Xiaomi Poco C3 smartphone price in India is likely to be Rs 8,499. Xiaomi Poco C3 is speculated to be launched in the country on October 23, 2020, unofficial. As for the color options, the Xiaomi Poco C3 smartphone may come in black colors.